Whoa.
Truth or dare?
I'll pick the truth.
What is the best lesson that your mother taught you?
The best lesson my mom taught me? Always be there for your friends in need, because your friends in need have less than you do. So it's probably better if help them out a little bit.
If you had a billboard that you could show to every single person in the world and it would have one message on it, what would you want that message to be?
Love yourself. Love yourself. Love yourself good and nice. Yeah, that's what I put on there.
Real. I like that, man. Thank you so much.
Thanks, bro. I'm gonna put the phone down. Sorry, I keep hiccuping.